Reproduction in animals. We already learned how the plants reproduce. Reproduction is essential process. Imagine what would happen if the organism will not reproduce. We have seen the chicks of hens and cocks, the kittens of cat, and the puppies of the dogs. Now one question arises. Do you think that these young ones look the same before they born? Now let us learn more about this. Several processes such as circulation of blood, digestion and respiration are essential for the survival of human beings and other animals. Similarly, reproduction is also essential to maintain the continuity in the species. If reproduction in animals does not take place, no similar kind of organisms will be present on the earth generation after generation. So what is reproduction? Reproduction is the process by which living organisms produce more living organisms of its own kind. Now the similarities between reproduction in plants and animals. Plants and animals both undergo the sexual and asexual process of reproduction. Just like plants, in animals also, both male and females have different reproductive organs. In both the plants and animals, the zygote is formed when the male and the female gametes fuse together, and it is zygote which ultimately develops into a new individual. Now the mode of reproduction in animals, there are two modes, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. So in case of plant, the male and the female gametes fuse and it forms seeds, and this seed ultimately develop into a new plant. This is the sexual reproduction in plant. In animals, males and females have different reproductive parts or organs. The reproductive parts in animals produce gametes, and the gametes fuse to form a zygote, and this is the zygote which ultimately develops into a new individual. So this process of reproduction begins with the fusion of male and female gamete, and this is the sexual reproduction in animals. Now the reproductive organs in humans. Male reproductive organ, it is consists of a pair of testes, two sperm duct and the penis. The testes produce the male gamete. It is also known as sperms. Millions of sperms are released from the testes. The sperm, though it is very small in size, it consists of a head, the middle part, middle piece, and a tail. The sperm looks like this. And the sperm is a single cell. Female reproductive organ. It consists of a pair of ovaries, oviduct, or it is known as fallopian tube also, and the uterus. The ovary produces female gamete, which is also known as ova or eggs. In human being, a single matured egg is released by the ovaries into this oviduct or fallopian tube every month. And in the uterus part, generally the development of the baby takes place. Just like sperm, the egg is also a single cell. Now the process of fertilization. This fertilization begins with the fusion of sperm and the ovum. So here the sperm get fused with the ovum or the egg, and the nuclei of the sperm combine with the nuclei of the egg, and it form a single nucleus, and this develop into a new cell that is known as zygote. And this zygote, which ultimately develop into a new individual. So we have seen that the zygote contain the nuclei of both the parent. So the new individual that developed due to fission of male and female gamete contains the characteristics of both the parents. Now let's see how the fertilization takes place. This is the egg and these are the sperms. Millions of sperms are released and one of the sperm get fused with the egg. So here all the sperms release and only one sperm get fused with the egg. So this is the process of fertilization. Thank you.